Back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing fine. So today we are gonna learn while and do while loop. So let me make a class in day one package. I'll name my class as a while demo. Okay, now let's make a list that what all we are gonna see here. While and and do while we're gonna learn today. Now in order to understand while, first what we need to do, we need to understand a little concept of wedding. So whenever wedding happens, guys, whenever wedding happens, so what happens, like we invite our guest and we give some food. So suppose you are the one who is distributing the plate to the guest. So do you know how many exact number of guests can arrive? Let's suppose if you have invited 100 guests also, so you don't know that that exact 100 number of guests can come, because they can bring along their friends, they can bring along their son, even lesser than that. So just relate that in programming. So whenever you don't know the limit, that time use while loop. Use while loop. So that's the that's the recognition that how do you use while loop. That should be in your logic thinking, that okay, this is the example of while loop. Now what's the while loop syntax? Just see. While condition is true, print. So let's suppose if condition is true, I'll just say I am in while loop. I am in while loop. So, and try to run this and check what is happening, guys. So I'm running here. Look, I'm in while loop. It will print indefinite time because it will keep on go, keep on go, keep on go. So this is the while loop. Here just condition get checked and it starts running the block inside the while loop. So let's take another example to understand this better. So let me take a variable int I equals to 1. Okay, and let me comment it out actually. Okay, and let's int I equals to 1, and now let me put this in while loop. So while I, that is 1, is greater than or equals to 10. Okay, then execute this block, just print I. So do you think 1 is greater than 10, 2 is greater than 10? No, right? So the loop should not go. Look, it's not going. My program is not running because it's running, but it will not show any output because it's not, the condition is not getting matched. Now let's reverse this. Is 1 is less than 10? Yes, the loop will start running. Let's check this. Look, 1 1 1 1 1. The I value is 1. It is always checking 1. It's not doing anything, so 1 1 1 will keep on printing like how it was printing earlier. Now let us do one intelligent thing here. What we can just increment the value of 1, and then we start looping the again while loop. So 1 is greater than equals to 10. Yes, no, it's not. Then just print the value of I. So what is the value of right now? I 1. Then increment the I to 2. Now what's the value of I? 2. 2 is less than or equals to? No. Again print. So it will keep on printing like 10. Then at some point, if I value will become 11, so 11 is less than or equals to 10? No, that cannot be. 11 is greater than 10. So loop should run from 1 to 10. So look here, guys, 1 to 10 it's running. So that's while loop. Now let's check for go for do while loop. So do while loop, that's the syntax for do while loop. So in do while loop, what happens, guys? Every time do condition will get execute. After that do block will get execute. After that while condition will get execute. So let's suppose in the above example, whatever we have taken, so we'll write here I, what will be the value of I, you print here. After that, let us give this condition that I is less than or equal to 10. Let's suppose here also I gave. Now try to run this program and see what is happening here. So look, guys, what is happening here? It's happening like the loop went 10 times, here. So what is the value right now of I? 11. So 11 is getting print here. 11. And is 11 is less than or 10? No. Then the loop will get end here. Now let's suppose I say yes, this one. So what will be the output? It will keep on printing 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. So that's the do while loop. So this need to be practiced, more practiced. Then only you will be very good in do while and while loop. So it's very simple, guys. Just you need to make logic that what exactly operation, what exactly loop you want to perform. Just break the program into small parts and try to do it. So yeah, if you like the video, then please subscribe it and tell me in comments if you feel like, okay, this was not explained very good way. So I'll even try to explain in very even more easy way. So thank you guys for tuning.